Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have a AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. Consider the function a of x equals negative x to the power of 5 plus 10x cubed minus 15x. Which choice best describes the end behavior of a? So let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is negative x to the power of 5. Now, let's understand how the leading term, negative x to the power of 5, dictates the behavior as x approaches the positive infinity and negative infinity. So, negative x to the power of 5. So when we put positive first for the x, let me do that as 5. So positive to the power of 5 is positive, but negative times positive gives you negative. And in the same case, if I will put negative for the x, negative to the power of 5 is, since the exponent is an odd number, it's going to be negative. Negative times negative is positive. So as x approaches the positive infinity, the function a approaches to negative infinity. As x approaches to negative infinity, the function approaches to positive infinity. So the correct answer will be then choice A for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.